In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Behance portfolio private. First, log into your Behance account and open the project you want to hide. Click on the Edit Project button to enter the editor. Inside the editor, look for the Project Settings option. Here, you'll find visibility controls for your project. Change the project visibility from public to private or draft. This will prevent the project from appearing on your public profile and in Behance search results. Once you've selected the private option, click Save to apply the changes. Your project is now hidden and only visible to you. If you want to make the project public again in the future, simply return to the same settings and switch the visibility back to public. And that's it. You've successfully made your Behance portfolio private. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Behance and design tutorials.